Hey, remember me? I'm Boff, the one and only Maltipoo superstar. Today you're coming with me to the cabin. But first, I've got some serious digging to do. Don't ask why. A dog's gotta do what a dog's gotta do.
Hello, it's me and Boff again, and we are packing because we are going to the cabin. We are leaving in about 30 minutes, so I have to make sure that I have everything ready, and he is so excited to go to the cabin. Yay! Are you looking forward to going? Yes, yes you are. Yes you are. Yes you are. Yes. Oh, a good boy. Boff is now 6 months old and he's grown a bit. He weighs about 3 kilos. So he has grown since we got him. Then he only weighed 1 kilo. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Ooh. Then we are in the car in our new crate, and he's a bit skeptical because the other crate was much smaller and then he felt a little bit safer, so this is a bit exciting, maybe a little bit too exciting, but we hope that he won't puke on the way down to the cabin. So Boff, you're doing great job, let's go. Hey ho, let's go! Yes, and then we are the parking place at our cabin. And oh, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh yes.
Freedom at last.
Ooh.
Mama finally let me out of the car. Guess what?
Are you ready?
No puke this time. I'm a travel pro now. The best part? All these brand new smells waiting just for me. Move over, humans. I've got important sniffing business to do.
We are here. We're at our cabin and Boff is on the top of the stairs, right there, coming down. Hello. Hi Boff. Are you ready? Okay, we'll have to carry all the groceries into the cabin and then we can have some fun. Are you ready to have some fun, Boff? Boff, you ready to have some fun?
Ready to have fun? Darling, I am the definition of fun. If fun had a face, it would be mine. Honestly, what would you humans even do without me? Come on, Mama. How hard can it be to open a door? I've got 4 paws, no thumbs, and even I could do it faster. Hurry up, woman. The fun isn't gonna start itself.
We're inside. Oh. Hey, Boff.
First things first, a quick sniff here, a quick sniff there. Just making sure the place still smells like me.
Oh.
Then boom, up on the sofa for the best lookout spot. But honestly, I don't want to stay inside. What if some other dog dared to mark my territory? I've got work to do. The king is back. Oh, it's obvious. Other dogs have been here. I can smell it. Maybe a big golden retriever. Or a tiny little poodle. Doesn't matter. The question is, how long ago? One thing's for sure. I've got serious work to do. Time to re-establish the legend of Boff. Who's been trespassing on my territory? The neighbor mutt? Or maybe a giant brontosaurus? Unacceptable. How dare they come here when I'm not around? Honestly, I might need to hire some guard chihuahuas. Small, loud, terrifying. That'll teach them. Hold everything. My nose just picked up something huge. Right there, under the cherry tree. This could be a major discovery. What is it? Ancient dog bones from the ancestors? Buried treasure hidden by pirates? Or maybe, the holy grail of snacks, a forgotten sausage from last summer's barbecue. The suspense is killing me. But don't worry, Indiana Bones is on the case. Time to dig like a legend. And nope, false alarm. Probably just a worm fart or something equally disappointing. Ugh, mystery solved. Let's move on. Indiana Bones deserves better than this. Ugh, what is this? Something's stuck in my mouth. I'm chewing like crazy, but it won't go away. Wait, don't tell me. Did I just get a worm fart in my beard? That is not the look I'm going for. Gross. And shake it off, shake it off. There, all fixed. What? You saw that? No. That was totally part of the plan. Just a little dramatic performance for the camera. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. New adventure awaits. Oh yeah, time to strike a pose. Work it. Own it. Superstar on the lawn. And now, slow motion attack. Camera, you're mine. Yes, the braid. Exactly the kind of tool a true adventurer needs. With this, I could swing across crocodile pits, climb the tallest mountains, or escape 1,000 enemy cats chasing me through the jungle. The possibilities are endless. Hand it over, Mama. Indiana Bones has a destiny to fulfill.
Look at my tomatoes. Yay. Come on, Boff. Hey, look at the tomatoes.
Put me down. Really, Mama? You're showing me tomatoes? Like I'm supposed to be impressed? I'm Indiana Bones, not Farmer Boff. I've got bigger adventures waiting than staring at salad ingredients.
De är goda. Boff.
Okay, wait a second. What's with all the nom-nom noises, Mama? You're making that tomato sound way too good. Maybe, just maybe, Indiana Bones could take a tiny taste. For research purposes only, of course. Oh, my dog. This is heaven. Why didn't anyone tell me tomatoes taste like this? I can't stop. Must lick every juicy bit. Indiana Bones has discovered the fruit of the gods. Just a little lick here, a little nibble there. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. But do I finish it all at once? No way. A true connoisseur savors greatness. I'll just leave the rest here. Let the magic last a little longer. Ah, pure magic. Rolling in the grass, living my best life. And then, boom! Mama's legendary cuddle hand appears. Belly rubs activated. Oh yes, this is the good stuff. Don't stop. Ever. Wait, what's that? Target spotted. Tiny bird. 12 o'clock. Activate Greyhound mode. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Ugh, are you kidding me? That little featherball is way too fast. Note to self. Wings beat paws. Every single time. Thanks for watching, humans. If you like me and my crazy adventures, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to drop a like or a comment. I love the attention. And hey, if you want more action, go check out my other movie. Fast, Fluffy, and Fabulous. Links right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Indiana Bones out.